always got to make sure.
You have the navigation?
Yeah, if you have the map up, that's fine. I'm not, and I mean, this really only goes one place.
I never really, I don't know how to use this car.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, it's also not touchscreen, it's this thing. So if you hit nav, I think he has his phone with him, it's fine.
Okay, never mind. Whatever, yeah.
Nope. Okay. How fast was Kevin going earlier? Or are you just chilling?
He was following the BRZ, so however fast the BRZ was going.
Okay, so Kamal goes a little bit quick.
Yeah, it was like a little speedy for sure.
Oh, that's good.
A little more than cruising, but
Yeah.
he's like having fun with it, you know, like he said like a little adrenaline rush. He really
Yeah,
liked it.
absolutely. That doesn't seem to have the same grip as the S2000, but it is also on a lot less stickier tires than the S2000 is. So Ewan's car has stickier tires and better brakes.
Oh, wow, that's surprising.
Well, I mean, Ewan changed those things, right? So he upgraded that stuff, so it's nice. It's good. So it's really confidence inspiring. This is also very nice, though. My brother stopped and pulled over. Do you want to radio to Sahana and see if he wants to go in front? I don't plan to go very fast.
Oh shit, this radio's turn it back on.
Yep.
Hey Sahana, you good?
Yeah.
Ask if he wants to go in front.
You want to go in the front?
No, we're just chilling.
Ask him why did he break the car?
That's on why.
Ask him if he's broken my car.
Did you break Treat's car?
No.
Just say it's a bit suspect.
Treat just said it's a good suspect. That's all.
Mom wants to establish that even with the feeling we could still beat him.
Okay, all right. You like this or the S2000 more?
Right, based on just straight, like, so what's the best way to put it? The S2000 feels like it could just turn it and just go, right?
Okay.
So I think I like the S2000 more right now. But this also, here's the thing, this with those brakes and those tires, I don't know yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it could be better even.
It could. This will be better with those brakes and tires. So I don't know yet, right? Well, as it sits right now, the S2000.
Okay.
But if he starts upgrading it, then
Upgrade this then.
yeah, then he
Probably
could.
maybe this even. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well. There's so many pull-offs, buddy. Come on.
Yeah. A lot of the people we were driving behind, when we came up, they did pull off and let the BRZ and the Miata cruise by. So, so this guy does that.
He's not. Unfortunately, he is not that kind of guy.